special for me because it's my, it's,
Pakita daw ng abs.
Piolo moves daw. Today is special because it's, as I said kanina, it's my first 21K since I got well. Alam nyo, there was, muntik na naman akong kasakit ako ng matinding sakit again. And I got well, and it's been exactly a month. And it's the first time I'm doing 21K again, at good time, and very strong. And this is because of all your inspiration. When I see all of you, nakakalakas kayo eh. The best talaga yung pagka tumatakbo ka, tapos nakikita mo yung mga kasama mo, gives you energy. Because the running community and the tri community is so united and so positive. So let's keep on running and let's keep on supporting each other. Maraming salamat. I love all of you guys. Thank you.
All right. And while we're here, I'd like to, of course, the coach of Pharma Coaching and of course, Auntie Barley.